Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your SST teacher Afshin. Students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Now move to the today's topic. I am going to tell you about graphs and its types. In this lesson, you will be able to describe the graph and its types and also list the uses of graphs in your daily life. The first question which raises in our mind is, what is graph? A graph is a diagram representing a system of connection or interrelation among two or more things by a number of distinctive dots, lines and bars and etc. Commonly, three types of graphs are used: line graph, bar graph, pie graph. Now, there is a definition of line graph. A graph in which points representing values of a variable for suitable values of an independent variable are connected by a broken line. And it plays an important role in our modern lives. They are used extensively in sales and marketing, economic business, psychology, science and medicine. Now, bar graph. Bar graph is a chart that uses bars to show comparison between categories of data. The bars can be either horizontal or vertical, and it is used to display data in a similar way to line graphs. However, rather than using a point on a plane to define a value of a bar graph, uses as horizontal or vertical rectangular bar that levels off at the appropriate level. Now, pie graph. Pie graph is a chart or a graph. It is special chart that uses pie slices to show relative size of data. The chart is divided into sectors where each sector shows the relative size of each value, and it is used that how much we spend each year. Pie chart are circular chart that are used for comparison. Pie chart can be used in business work to represent data. Pie chart can be used to visualize our daily expenditure. Now it's time for the home task. Draw a line bar of 5 cities of Pakistan which shows the temperature of those cities, and then send me to the address given below, which is afshin@chandbaghdg.edu.pk.